Tolsen Tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hello! Welcome! So, ngayon introduce ko ang circular saw. Industrial grade to, okay? And makikita nyo, this is an ergonomic grip design. So, okay, walang laman. Nilabas ko. Bakit? Para mas makita nyo. At kapag nilagay ko sa inyo, o pinharap ko, at least makikita nyo. So, dito sa harap, makikita nyo dito yung mga sizes natin for max cutting depth na 65mm, 90 degrees, then meron tayo 44mm, which is 45 degrees. Then, meron din tayo dito 45 to 90 degrees bevel cut. So, ibig sabihin, maganda yun lalo na kapag pang-straightener, di ba? So, ang circular saw kasi natin ito is, from the word itself, it is circular. So, ginagamit natin yun kapag napandar mo. So, on machine siya, via parang may blade, circular blade. Okay? Tapos, this is a GS approved. 230 volts siya, and yung frequency niya is 50 Hz. Kung yung nakakalimutan yun, okay? And yung volts ha, important yun. Then, no load speed siya ng 0 to 5,000. Sorry, 0 to 5,000 siya talaga. Per minute. Okay? Then, meron tayo ditong lock-on switch, then may plug-in cable na Blvd 2N. So, ganun siya. Then, may aluminum die-cast guard tayo at the same time, spindle lock for saw blade replacement. So, explain ko yun kung paano. Now, this is the product. Medyo mabigat. Pusho. Okay, so ito yun. So, aluminum die-cast case niya is ito yun. Then, meron tayo yung lock, which is ito yun. Para mag-change tayo ng blade, so ito yun, kailangan nyo i-side para ito, para ma-change, okay? So, ang inclusion kasi niya is meron tayo dito hex key, which is Allen key, then meron tayo dito pang-measure. So, ito yun, yung kailangan natin for distance and measurements. So, meron tayo yan. Then, meron tayo included din itong blade. It's a 185 by 60 mm na blade. So, ito yun. Isa lang naman yan. Pero may available naman tayo. May link pa kayo. Okay? Then, meron din tayo inclusion dito ng manual sa box na yun. Okay? So, may nakalimutan. Then, if papaganahan natin to, alam naman natin na ito ang pang-press para gumana. Now, para mababa ito, kailangan i-press nyo ng safety bago nyo ma-press. Okay? Kasi pag hindi ito ni-press, hindi ito mag-press down. Kasi ito nga ang safety. Kasi this is very dangerous. Dangerous talaga ito, guys. So, be careful. Then, ginagamit ito pang wood board or plywood, malipis or yung makapal. Kasi, depende kasi yun eh. So, ito ay pang-cut. Pang-cut na plywood, wood, or makapal, malipis, acrylic pwede nito. Kung ito yung lagay sa metal na. Hindi talaga. So, use nito is pang-cut straight or diagonal straight. Basta straight lang na natin. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much sa ating natutunan kayo sa akin. And, look forward sa mga future videos. See you soon! Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.